How to convert PDF to Word. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to convert PDF to Word. So if you want to learn how it's done, just listen to me very carefully because I will teach you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go. So you can do this on any device that you have. You can do this on your computer, on your Android phone, or your iPhone because you only need the browser to do this. So to do that, you just need to head over to any browser that you want. But for me, I will choose Google Chrome. And once I'm in there, I just need to open a new tab and then search for Cloud Convert. Cloud Convert and also the extension, which is PDF to Word. And after that, click on Cloud Convert PDF to Word Converter right here. And then you can see here that you can click this and select a file. So let's select the file. So click on Files right here. And then locate the files that we want to get. So to this, let's click this. And then as you can see from PDF, it will be converted to doc. So let's click on Convert right here. And it is now converting, so let's just wait for it. As you can see, it is not finished. Just click on download right here. And then as you can see, this that to download folder. So click on download right here. And as you can see right now, it is finished downloading. So you can just open in it. So let's click on this right here on our downloads. And as you can see, the PDF earlier has become a doc. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to convert PDF to Word. If you have questions or comments, just comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.